The VEVOR 850lbs motorcycle stand is designed to accommodate a wide range of motorcycles, including renowned brands such as Yamaha, Honda, Kawasaki, and Suzuki, thanks to its impressive load capacity and compatibility with tire radii up to 13.8 inches. Built from heavy-duty steel, this stand ensures a stable and secure lift, with its precise bracket joint and reinforced clips, minimizing shaking and deformation over prolonged use. The stand features adjustable universal fork heads, offering versatile support with an extensive adjustment range, ensuring both the front and rear of your motorcycle are well supported. Its user-friendly design includes a detailed assembly guide, allowing you to set it up quickly, while the four 3-inch PP casters and extended handles make lifting your motorcycle a swift and effortless task. The combined front and rear paddock stand enables full motorcycle elevation, simplifying at-home maintenance tasks such as repairs, oil changes, and cleaning without causing tire compression or flat spots. This versatile motorcycle stand from VEVOR enhances your maintenance experience by providing a reliable and convenient solution for both short-term and long-term motorcycle support.